My fellow Jamaicans, as of February 1, 2023, we will begin the phased implementation of the new Road Traffic Act 2018 and the Road Traffic Regulations 2022. This new law aims to, among other things, better regulate the use of our roads, while at the same time ensure safety of motorists, pedestrians, and other road users. Overall, the new law is aimed at ensuring that Jamaicans and visitors arrive alive. I want to emphasize that this law is not about collecting revenue for more tickets or punishing motorists. This law is aimed at promoting a new culture of safety as we traverse our nation's streets. Most Jamaicans who receive traffic tickets pay them. In fact, over 70% pay them in the prescribed time. However, there are still individuals who have unresolved traffic tickets. As of December 2022, there are 45 Jamaicans driving around with over 500 outstanding traffic tickets, and 1,173 others each have between 100 and 499 outstanding tickets. This should have never been the case, and this government is taking steps to ensure that the current situation does not continue. The government has listed the stakeholders who moved to avoid over 1 million traffic tickets before February 1, 2018, and to remove all demerit points assigned as of January 31, 2023 to allow us to start the system afresh. The new act will be supported by an enhanced digital traffic ticketing management system that will make it easier for law enforcement to issue tickets for traffic offenses. This enhanced system will make it easier for drivers to keep track of their tickets and pay them in a timely manner. Motorists will now have 30 days to pay their tickets, which is more than the 21 days in the previous law. Additionally, the Act will require drivers to always have a valid driver's license on them while operating a vehicle. This will not only make it easier for law enforcement to detect and punish those who are driving without a license, but will also help to ensure that only qualified drivers are on the road. The Act includes several other provisions to increase safety on the roads. It will be an offense to use a handheld device while driving, increased penalties for failing to obey traffic lights, loud noises within these silent zones, failing to wear a protective helmet, and failing to stop at pedestrian crossing. Motorcycle crashes are the single largest cause of fatality on our roads, 30% of all deaths over the last 2 years. Under the new law, motorcyclists must undergo proper training and certification before they are allowed to ride on the country roads. Operating motorcycles will only a learner's permit will no longer be permitted. A motorcyclist must have his protective helmet, and noise levels from bikes should be kept within the set limit. The police will be working with the motorcyclists over the next 3 months to ensure compliance. This act will also have an updated demerit system, which will allow for the Island Traffic Authority to suspend a driver's license upon the accumulation of a set number of demerit points. On the other hand, good drivers will be rewarded. If after 15 months a driver has accumulated demerit points that are less than those required for suspension of the license, then the points will expire and the record cleared. Owners of motor vehicles will no longer be able to avoid the responsibility of ensuring that their motor vehicles are being operated by responsible persons who adhere to public order on our roads. Owners will now be held liable in relation to infraction of their motor cars. We expect to roll out electronic monitoring and enforcement this year, and we utilize assets like Jamaica Eye to assist us in maintaining order on our roads. 750 electronic devices and printers have been procured and are being distributed island-wide and will be operational come February 1. I want to encourage all motorists to continue to clear any outstanding tickets you may have after January 31, 2023. As is customary, the courts will adjudicate on matters that have missed their assigned court dates. Email your outstanding ticket results to us customer service at cad.gov.jm, where the courts have implemented a system to assist many Jamaicans who have been the victims of reckless drives on our roads. Under this new law, we will restore rule of law, order, and decency on our roads. We urge compliance, and we ask all law-abiding citizens to support this new initiative, which is aimed at protecting us all. God bless you and have a safe journey.